Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. I'm so happy having finished the How to Create a Simple Website series. Now it's time to brush up our basic understanding of PHP to get the proper programming technique under our belt. Okay, let's introduce a new series, PHP Fundamentals. Case-sensitive name. All variable names are case-sensitive. This one with the small letter and this one with the capital letter C are two different variables. Create the editor, $, small letter C, save it. Press Ctrl B. Pink is here. Give a new line. Save it and then run it. Ctrl B. It caused an error. Because of the letter case issue, small letter and capital letter are different, so it can't output the value of the undefined one with the capital letter C. Okay? Non-case sensitive name. In PHP, keywords if, else, while, echo, class names, function names, and user-defined function names are not case sensitive. Let's clear the editor. Type the echo statement. Give a new line. Save it. And then press Ctrl B. The letters, whether capital or small letter, doesn't cause any error. So the keywords are not case sensitive. Okay, this is the end of the part 1 of the series. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.